I'm tired of dying out here.
Alright guys, we're very excited to be here today with another episode of You Make It, We Skate It! We haven't said this for a while, but you can send us anything you want. Skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. Send us an email. That hurt real bad. Thanks a lot, Gabe. So this one here is from Andrew Goodard. You ready to skate this, JD?
Yeah.
This is your first You Make It, We Skate It, right?
Yep.
First ever.
Holy cow.
Okay, well I'm gonna tell you right now, this is danger in the making. This is straight danger.
Oh my gosh, it comes with a puzzle for Uzi. Uzi Pan Challenge, this puzzle for you. See if you can complete it before they set up the board. Go! What the?
Hi Braille, my name is Andrew, owner of All In Welders Limited. A few months ago, while cleaning out my storage room, I found my Mike V board from the late 1990s. The last board I bought before I got married. Congratulations on getting married, that's very well done. Within days of finding the board, I found the Braille YouTube channel. After seeing the rebar board, I figured I could make a better metal board. I think you have accomplished that, good sir. And thank you.
I think that's the puzzle. I think the puzzle is opening it.
Only using a cordless drill and a grinder, my kids and I did try it out, and a successful kickflip was achieved. No pressure, guys, no pressure. That's a lot of pressure. I would love to see nose, tail, board slides. Ricky Glassa, hey, thank you very much. That's not a knife, this is a knife. Or a game of skate just using a manual pad. Whatever you decide, just remember to have fun. You guys know how to have fun?
Yeah.
What's that? That's why we had to bring JD in. These guys are so old and jaded, we had to bring JD in to have fun. Please give a shout out to All In Welders Limited in Vancouver, Lower Mainland area. Shout out, All Welders Limited. Have fun and be safe. All right, let's get it. Let's see if it passes the vibe check. Goes like this, right?
Sorry, guys.
Where in the world is the drill?
Oh, you got it easy? What's in it?
If you want us to do more You Make It, We Skate It, leave it in the comments below.
got-
Maybe even like the video. Actually, you know what? If you like it or dislike it, that's okay. Maybe dislike the video. Let Uzi give his puzzle and then see if you want to just slam the dislike button. Go ahead.
It's like a maze, but
Told you.
watch. It goes, I don't even know how to put it back all the way. I can't even put it back.
I think the actual puzzle is to put it back together. All right. I think we give it to the newest Braille member to do whatever you would like.
Be safe.
Just to warn everybody, let everybody know, JD has a broken arm.
Oh no!
It's really scary. First try. I mean, I'm going all in and all out at the same time. Smash that dislike button. Oh no! Ow! Ow! Just kidding. I'm fine. All in right here. If I don't land this, you gotta hit the like instead of the dislike. Thank you for a mean dislike. Credit card, charge it up. God.
Don't do what I did.
Dang. They call me the champ, and now I know why. All right, I'm gonna be here. Well, I'm gonna need you there, and then Uzi, go there. And then I'm gonna do a trick, and I need you both kind of like doing this kind of dance move.
Dancing?
Yeah. You ready? No! I was so focused on the background dancers, I missed the kickflip.
My set?
Dang it, we're all out. Chris is such a poser, you know what I mean? He's like, just kidding. No way am I dropping in on that. That's a no, sir. I'll take a letter. Give me a just kidding. Are you next? If you land this, I'll save a buck. Yeah. They say you have no fear of dying until the hour of your dying is at hand. He's good.
That's an A, I think.
A single tear rolls down thy face. Thy letter is SK. Oh, great. We're in the JD's house and everybody's out.
Maybe a nice, easy afternoon.
Thank you. Dang it. Here I'm getting letters. Yeah. Should I take a letter or should I try it? Everybody thinks I'm joking, but I can't axle stall. I'm a professional skateboarder, people.
Back disaster?
Switch dropping on the 4-foot. It's just a nose stall.
No way.
Yeah, got it.
No way.
It's harder on the small one.
No, it's not.
I know, but still, you got it.
JD, will you think less of me if I just take the letter?
Say yes.
You got it. Nah! No!
You can do it.
All right, let's go. Finally. Wait, it's actually my set?
Kickflip, let's go!
Good job, Dad.
No!
Ooh, that's a good idea, Dad. Everybody got a letter.
Everybody got a letter on kickflip. That's how you know it's a good board.
Yep, straight up.
Terrifying.
Bunch of posers. Just kidding, just kidding. Chloe, you okay? No.
Almost in? Yeah, there.
Yeah. No, that.
I thought I was landing primo for sure.
Okay.
Jump and hope you don't die. That's it. See, stand a little bit off.
That's all you do with regular skateboarding anyways.
Basically.
So you're out then, if you after one more try?
I mean, I am out. I got 2 tries! What do you mean?
Tries all you need. Never give up. Right here.
Never give up,
Lean
they
back.
said. Why did the board go with them and not with me?
I don't recommend doing this trick for the first time on a full metal board like that.
Is JD at T?
Yeah. You got it, JD.
You got it. Just gotta go a little faster. Go ahead, Chris McNugget.
That was never gonna work. Sorry, Chris. It's way too heavy for that.
Take him out, Ricky. Take him out.
All right, board slide 5 round. And that's an easy letter from McNugget. Ricky straight.
Oh.
It's like once a poser, always a poser. I mean, right?
No, I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. All right. This is kind of scary.
What is wrong with you?
Dang, I had it. I'm tired of dying out here. See, if I wasn't a poser, I'd be able to do this, but you know.
There's no posers. There's seriously not posers. You're a skater, you're a beginning skater, or you're a skater.
No,
Game.
The object is to keep your head totally still and only your legs are moving, right? Check out the videos to the left. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to ride a skateboard. Skateboard is fun, and if you want to send us board, skate it, hey, you make it, we skate it.com.